Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, a vehicle that redefines luxury on wheels. If you thought Rolls-Royce was just about sleek sedans and powerful SUVs, think again. In 2026, the iconic British brand has taken luxury travel to a whole new level with the Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This is not just any motorhome. It is a statement of opulence, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. But before we get into all the features and what makes it so special, let's talk about the price, because that alone will leave you stunned. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to start at around $2.5 million. Yes, you heard that correctly. This is not a vehicle for everyone, and Rolls-Royce has made it clear that it is aimed at a very exclusive clientele. The price may sound astronomical, but when you consider the level of luxury, customization, and engineering that goes into every detail, it begins to make sense. Rolls-Royce has always been synonymous with bespoke craftsmanship, and this motorhome is no exception. Every element, from the exterior finish to the interior layout, can be tailored to the buyer's exact preferences. One of the key factors influencing the price is the materials used. The motorhome features a body made from lightweight carbon fiber and reinforced aluminum, ensuring both strength and durability while keeping weight as low as possible. The exterior paint options are almost limitless, with Rolls-Royce offering bespoke colors that are mixed in-house. You can choose from traditional metallic finishes or completely unique shades, each applied with multiple layers and meticulous attention to detail. This alone can add tens of thousands of dollars to the final cost, depending on your choices. Inside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is nothing short of a five-star hotel on wheels. The cabin is crafted entirely from the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, rare wood veneers, and polished metal accents. Every surface is designed to exude elegance, from the dashboard to the cabinetry in the kitchen area. Rolls-Royce is known for its attention to detail, and in this motorhome, that tradition continues. Even the smallest elements, like the stitching on the seats or the knobs on the cabinets, are crafted to perfection. The living space is expansive, featuring multiple zones for relaxation, dining, and entertainment. There is a full-size bedroom with a king-sized bed, a lounge area with reclining seats, and a dining area that can comfortably accommodate 4 people. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, refrigerator, and induction cooktop. Luxury doesn't stop there. The bathroom features a full shower, high-end fixtures, and even an optional sauna. All of these features, combined with Rolls-Royce's bespoke customization options, contribute to the high price of this motorhome. Another aspect that justifies the price is the technology. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome comes with a fully integrated smart system that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. It features an advanced navigation system designed specifically for large, luxury vehicles, making long-distance travel smoother and safer. Rolls-Royce also includes autonomous driving assistance features, adaptive cruise control, and a state-of-the-art suspension system that ensures the smoothest ride imaginable, even on bumpy roads. This combination of technology and luxury is rare in the motorhome market and plays a significant role in the pricing. Customization options extend beyond just interiors and paint. Buyers can choose from a range of exterior configurations, including slide-out sections for additional living space, a rooftop terrace, or even a fold-out entertainment deck. Rolls-Royce also offers bespoke luggage solutions, including custom-fitted suitcases that match the interior design of the motorhome. Every detail is meticulously planned, and the level of personalization ensures that no two motorhomes are ever exactly the same. It's also worth mentioning that owning a 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not just about the vehicle itself. The brand provides an exclusive ownership experience, including a dedicated concierge service that handles maintenance, travel planning, and even personal requests during journeys. Rolls-Royce has cultivated a reputation for making every owner feel like a VIP. And this motorhome is no exception. In conclusion, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury. With a starting price of around $2.5 million, it is certainly a significant investment. However, for those who can afford it, the motorhome offers unmatched comfort, advanced technology, and the ability to travel in style like never before. From the bespoke interiors to the handcrafted details and cutting-edge features, every element has been designed with precision and care. It is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of lifestyle and a rolling example of Rolls-Royce's commitment to excellence. If you are fascinated by luxury cars and high-end travel, this motorhome is a dream come true. Its price may be extraordinary, but so is the experience it offers. Whether you are exploring the countryside, traveling across continents, or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome ensures that every journey is memorable and exceptionally comfortable. For those who value privacy, luxury, and personalization, it is simply unparalleled. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the most luxurious vehicles in the world. Stay tuned for more reviews, insights, and news about high-end cars and motorhomes. Until next time, travel in style and keep living the dream.